Guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you a continuation of what we showed us in our previous video. And as you can see, the buy trade that was taken earlier today has hit the first take profit, and we adjusted our stop loss to this level, and we're expecting it to hit our second take profit. So if it doesn't hit the second take profit, we're expecting a reversal, which we're going to get. So if we get a reversal signal to sell, right, we're going to close that trade, and we're going to take that signal down there. You can see the indicator shows us our clear break of structure levels. You can see break of structure. It also shows us our supply and demand uh, zones. You can see this point of interest right here. So we're expecting the market to come down to this level, and if all conditions are met, we're going to have a long trade right here. If all conditions are met in this our supply zone, we're expecting it to give us a short position. So you can check, you can see our break of structures clearly stated by the indicator. You don't have to draw it yourself. So this is a smart money concept indicator that shows both the supply and demand and the regular smart money strategy. All right, you can trade any market, and one way you can use to backtest this is by just simply coming down to the strategy tester down here. You can see the general overview of what it has taken, all the trades it has taken in the past, and you can see that's a total of 190 trades, and the profitable trades are around 88.42%. So this is telling you that it is not 100% perfect. At some point it's going to hit stop loss. If you scroll to the back, you're going to see where it hits stop loss, and we can check our trade analysis right here too. Our trade analysis, you can see it has some winning trades and it has some losing trades. So 168 and 22. So 22 is when the trade hits stop loss, right? So this is it. You can see it even give us the dates where those trades have been taken from the 1st of January till the current date. So that's one beauty about this indicator. So if you need this indicator, you have to send a message to the Telegram account you see in the description below, and you're going to get the code full lifetime access. You're going to get a lifetime access to the indicator. So all you just need to do is to come to the Pine editor here and paste the indicator code and launch it on the chart. So you can play with the settings also. When you play with the settings, you you can increase the profitability of this indicator. It might increase, it might reduce. So when you get something very perfect for your trading style, it's going to be a better thing for you. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye for now.